How to make $1,000 a month by posting copyright-free music on YouTube. New method. Do you want to earn money on YouTube? Are you searching for a method to earn money online from YouTube? Well, there are a number of ways, friends. Hello and welcome back to Unlimited Money. Today, we are going to discuss an exciting topic. We will tell you how you can earn $1,000 a month by posting copyright-free music on YouTube. This is 100% trustworthy and genuine, so make sure you hook onto this video till the end to start earning today. Here we will discuss the method of earning money by posting copyright-free music on YouTube. Well, this is not a big deal. All you need to do is follow a few steps, so let us look at the description of these steps one by one. Creating a YouTube channel is the first step, and one of the most challenging aspects of doing so is coming up with an interesting and memorable name for it that isn't already in use. As someone who has participated in the creation of material for YouTube for more than 5 years, I can say that labeling is crucial, but if you have outstanding content, things will figure themselves out. Next, play some of the songs that you are interested in creating music videos for. You shouldn't begin with the greatest song since it will take some time for you to get the hang of the procedure. You're going to require a few different kinds of editing software. Adobe After Effects is the version of Adobe software that I use, although you could alternatively use Adobe Premiere. The most significant distinction is that in order to display a digital equalization on the screen, you will require After Effects. For reference, an example may be seen on Stream Lofi. The melody in the middle bar follows the rhythm. Visit the website of Adobe to get a subscription to the program if you're interested in carrying out the process in this manner. It is worth spending money on a good editing application, but the majority of the other solutions that I will cover may be accomplished for no cost at all. You could even take it a step further by giving the YouTube video a 360-degree perspective, which gives it a slick appearance on mobile devices. People are able to listen to the music and move it around just by tilting their phones, as seen in this example of a 360-degree music video by Stream Lofi. You would still need to use Adobe After Effects for this, and then you would utilize a program that YouTube provides that adds information to the video in order to make it into a 360-degree video. The information on how to do this task may be found on YouTube, and it's presented below. It is important to keep in mind that the rendering of the files might take a very long time if the settings that you are using are not optimal. If the file you're working on in Adobe After Effects is quite large, you should watch several tutorials to learn how to correct it. The one I used is provided below. Okay, it's time to go back to the music, but before we do that, let's talk about the steep learning curve associated with Adobe products. If you use this link to sign up for Skillshare, you will get 1 free month of the service, which is more than enough time to become proficient in the program if you dedicate some effort to the process. They provide lessons on everything. I've taken Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe After Effects classes from them. Now that we're back at your music collection, I want to stress how important it is that you choose songs that are of the highest possible quality. My own preference is to focus mostly on the usage of sound effects in order to create music that may be played in the background. If you do not have a subscription account for YouTube or Spotify, you may start playing the track as soon as you're ready to record it. If you do have a premium account, you can download the song. When it comes to capturing what's on your computer screen, you are going to need yet another tool. Fortunately, this one is completely free. OBS comes highly recommended by me. Although there are other kinds, this one offers the most reliable performance of any and all of them. The next step is to post your masterpiece on YouTube. Don't worry if the video quality isn't the greatest, since experience is the best teacher. Practice makes perfect. You won't become a YouTube sensation overnight, and it's not how people get to that level. Make it a goal to enhance one aspect of your technique with each new video. Wait a few hours after uploading your music and putting it on YouTube using the unlisted privacy setting so you can be sure it won't be accused of copyright violation. In the event that you do get one, this indicates that the music you are using is copyrighted music. Again, please do not hesitate to utilize Stream Lofi. This link will take you to Spotify, since all of our music is completely free of any copyright restrictions, and we are an official YouTube music channel. Now make an effort to come up with a plan and produce these videos for your channel on YouTube. What I do is make a large number of movies all at once and then set a timetable to upload 1 or 2 of them each week, depending on the total number of videos I want to have in my library. Instead of making all the videos public at once, which might be detrimental to your videos, consider releasing them in stages that are more manageable for you. Make sure that everyone is aware that the music is available for free download so they may use it on their own YouTube channels. If you know of any people that create material, be sure you let them know. This is a component of the method through which the platform generates revenue. You could receive some views from YouTube after you have the material, but you should keep in mind that this market is quite competitive unless you can come up with another technique to attract people to your films. Before you can begin to monetize your channel, you'll need 1,000 members and 4,000 view hours. That may seem like a lot, and it could be difficult to see, but the watch time on music isn't awful at all. This is because a lot of people will listen to the music again and over again, adding more watch time to your channel each time they do so. Recently, Twitch has been experiencing a significant problem with content providers receiving demands to remove their videos for infringement of copyright. The platform needs background music that won't get them in trouble, so reaching out to broadcasters on Twitch would be a fantastic idea. When people find out you have good music, they will start listening to it on your channel because they want to hear it. Make sure you have a lengthy playlist ready for them to just put on in the background and have it play continuously. You might even vary it up at the beginning by adding a few famous tunes from other channels to give it some variety until you have enough of your own music. It would be helpful if you could let the Twitch feeds download your YouTube library as well as your Spotify playlists. Now, just keep going. If people appreciate your songs, just keep doing what you're doing. If things are not taking off, try to find other methods to get your message out there. If people enjoy your songs, just keep doing what you're doing. Yes, you may start free music for YouTube channels utilizing other people's music and earn money off of it. In this video, I will walk you through the stages so that you can get started. Our music comes with a lifetime commercial license, so you're free to use it however you like. All we ask is that you provide a link to our website, as we described earlier, so that we can verify that you have the appropriate licenses and that no legal action will be taken against you. It is time to find out what music you prefer, and beginning with Stream Lofi will assist you in doing so. Now that you have the answers and are in the mindset to earn money, it is time to find out what songs you like. You may stream Lofi's music on either Spotify or on YouTube. So, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please make sure you like it and share it with your friends. And let us know down below in the comment box how much you guys earned through this method. If you have any questions or further comments, always make sure you let us know below. We check our videos all the time. And if you want to watch more helpful videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and make sure you stay locked in. We update new videos all the time. Hey, have a great day, everybody, and thanks for watching.